What's going on, everybody? I am that driving guy, and my office gets me where I'm going. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and hit all. That way you're notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget to hit up the description box for some essentials that can help you along the way as you're out there dashing. So, on this video, I want to talk to you all about Dasher Direct versus Fast Pay and which one I think is better to go with, or give you a little bit of information so that you can determine which one is going to be best for you, right? So, first, I want to talk about Dasher Direct. Now, one thing that you want to make clear, and this is what I found out later on along the lines, is that Dasher Direct is a private bank. So they are actually not a part of DoorDash itself, the company. They're just on the platform, and you know people are signing up with them as another way of getting their money, right? But they are not a part of DoorDash. They are their own entity, right? So at one time I was using Dasher Direct, and somehow I was caught up in a glitch matrix where I was able to not only get Dasher Direct, but also get my weekly payout sent to my bank account. So, and this is not something that you're able to do, but for months, this is how my account was set up. I had my Dasher Direct card. Every single day, whatever I made that day was on my Dasher Direct card, and every week my weekly payout went to my banking account. So I had it set. I had both of them set up at the same time for months, and it was cool. I loved the way that it was that way. Because I had that every day. I had the money that was going to my account. Everything was set up the way I wanted it to. So one week, I went to look at my account, and I'm wondering what happened to my weekly payout. It didn't hit my account. So I'm looking through all my statements, trying to double check and make sure I didn't overlook anything. I'm like, man, this money is not there. So I get on the line with Dasher Direct, and I'm talking to them. Now, when I look at my statement for Dasher Direct, the money was there. It clearly was right there on the statement. But the thing is, it wasn't supposed to have been on that statement because I was not receiving my payments there. I was receiving my weekly payments on my banking account. So I guess somehow I fell out of the glitch, and it happened to my money somehow got lost within that glitch. When I bounced out of the glitch, my money got lost. It was like a little over $300, right? So I'm on the line with them, going back and forth with Dasher Direct and DoorDash, right? With Dasher Direct and Dasher Support, I'm back and forth with them. And I'm like, man, if you all could just call each other and you can see, but they're not. That's when I found out that they are not affiliated with each other like that. They're not a part of each other. They're their own separate entities, right? So since it showed on that statement, the Dasher Direct statement, there was really nothing that I can do. The money showed there, which is the Dasher Direct card, which is the only money that goes on that card is the money that I make for that particular day. That's the only money that goes to the Dasher Direct card. But somehow they said, and it showed that my weekly pay, which was going to my bank account, was paid to the Dasher Direct card. So I had to eat that. But prior to that incident happening, I had no issues with the Dasher Direct card. I actually was using Fast Pay first before I went to Dasher Direct. But I can say about Fast Pay, it's just as good. You know, the only difference is that the money goes to your account, your bank account instead, but it goes there automatically right away, immediately, right? But you pay a $2 fee in order to transfer the money from the DoorDash app earnings tab to your bank account. They charge $1.99. So $2. It's still cool. $2 is not that bad. To transfer the money, it is what it is as far as that goes. That's why, Dasher Direct was pretty cool because it did not have the fee. The money was always there every time you ended your dash. So, in conclusion, I can say that I would recommend Dasher Direct, but be wary. Be cautious, pay attention to your money or whatever, because they are their own separate entity. So if anything goes on with your money, you should talk to them, not Dasher support. Um, Everything else is pretty cool with it. But if you have had any issue yourself, like I said, my situation could have been an isolated situation, right? So I just ate that, and I kind of stopped using Dasher Direct because of that incident. But like I said, I still would recommend it, um, because I had no problems, no issues with it before that, right? But like I said, if you have had any issues with Dash or Direct, Fast Pay is a great alternative. Just a $2 fee to transfer the money over is still not bad because you get the money immediately and you don't have to wait for it to go a day to get to your banking account. So it's still a great follow up if you have had any issues with Dash or Direct, or you can't get Dasher Direct or whatever the situation is. Fast Pay is a good follow up for that. But I still would recommend Dasher Direct. It's great. You're able to use their debit card. It's a debit card. You can use it the same way you use all your other debit cards. It's pretty cool. I really liked it. But the little situation I had kind of just made me stray away from it because it gave me more of a peace of mind to just deal with DoorDash and not have to deal with another entity when it came to my money. Although I'm still, dealing with my bank account, but I prefer it that way. All right. If you've had any issues with Dasher Direct, drop it in the comments because I'm curious to know if there have been any other problems besides the one that I went through. So drop it in the comments and let me know. And as always, I'll holler at y'all next time.